welcome to Happy Muncher. It's almost 6 p.m. guys. I just left the house to come and do a city tour walk. So right now I'm just gonna do a walk tour here in the city center, and I'm just gonna show you what I find along my walking tour, and I hope you stick around and enjoy the scenery of Chiang Mai. Wow, it is so beautiful. I feel like Chiang Mai is so calm, like very decent. There isn't a lot of movement like back in Bangkok. There is people, there is traffic, but it's manageable, you know. So you can easily walk, you can easily do whatever you want to do. But anyway, stay tuned in on this visual video of my walk tour here in Chiang Mai. Stick around, my lovely. See you in a bit. Chiang Mai is a city in the north of Thailand. This is a very blissful and calm, but what makes it more outstanding? Its rich history, mountainous landscape, and some of the best cuisine experience. Right where we are entering here is a famous landmark of Chiang Mai, Phae Gate. Historically, it used to be the main gate that monks, traders, and diplomats entered Chiang Mai through. That is why it is famous and it's visited by most tourists. Many cultural activities and festivals are also held in the front of this gate site. What you can do around here is take as many pictures as you can and spend time playing or feeding the pigeons. Some of the attractions to see around here are restaurants, cafes, night bazaars, and on Sunday this place tends to be the busiest as the popular Sunday night market is held here, which I will visit this coming Sunday. How are you? So now I'm gonna take a walk, guys, and show you more of Chiang Mai. I just wanna go a little bit deeper in the area I'm in now. One of the most attractive things about Chiang Mai is that it has so many Buddhist temples, about 300 of them in and around Chiang Mai. So we are going to walk past a lot of them in the city center. One thing to keep in mind is that Chiang Mai around this time has the highest air pollution of heavy smoke due to severe burning season. So I highly recommend that if you are here or planning to come to Chiang Mai, always wear your mask outdoors. You can visually see the smoky atmosphere condition and it can be unhealthy, so wearing a mask will reduce the risk of you falling sick. Right in the city center is a famous monument of the Three Kings attraction, a monument representing the founders of Chiang Mai, situated in front of Chiang Mai Arts and Cultural Center Hall. It is in a very quiet road where you can easily walk peacefully and take a Sunday stroll. Wow guys, look at this beautiful temple behind me. Next to this monument is one of many temples in the city with beautifully decorated pillars and stunning statues. Outside, it's decorated with colorful paper lanterns, and it's a very small temple that you can easily drop in for a prayer. I feel like Chiang Mai is a very reserved city, very sophisticated, nothing much, no hectic life. It's very calm, so much relaxation going on here. And I feel like if you don't want to be in the hustle and bustle of the city like Bangkok, Chiang Mai is the place to be. I love it already. There's like very good fresh air that you feel when you're walking the streets. There isn't too much heat like in Bangkok, but anyway, that's my own opinion. Chiang Mai is also famous for having some of the best restaurants offering Thai dishes and some international cuisines. Here you are spoiled for choice. You can also come across a lot of boutique hotels offering a very peaceful atmosphere and at a very reasonable price. This is a city you might consider living in if you are traveling on a budget. Lastly, I came across a Songkran festival ceremony event, and this is a yearly celebration taking place on the 13th to 15th April, and it is also a public holiday. I can't wait to celebrate this upcoming event. We have come to the end of my video today. Like this video if you enjoyed it, add this channel to your watch list, and stay updated on my upcoming videos here in Chiang Mai. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles. Yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más.